Struggling to maintain a healthy diet while on the move? You're not alone. The fast pace of modern life often makes it challenging to stick to a nutritious eating plan. From work commitments to family responsibilities and even social engagements, we are all juggling multiple balls, and eating healthily often falls by the wayside. It's easy to succumb to the convenience of fast food or prepackaged meals, but these options are often loaded with unhealthy fats, sugars, and sodium. Eating well is not just about keeping our waistlines in check, it's about nourishing our bodies with the right foods to keep us energized, focused, and in overall good health. Whether you're a busy professional, a student, or a parent, maintaining a balanced diet is crucial. But worry not, because we have some practical tips that will help you stick to a healthy diet, no matter how busy you are. First things first, planning and prepping your meals ahead of time. This is one of the most effective strategies to maintaining a balanced diet, especially when you are constantly on the move. It might seem like a daunting task initially, but trust me, it pays off in abundance. So why is meal planning and prep so important? Well, for starters, it saves you time. Instead of scrambling to put together something nutritious last minute, you'll have a meal ready to go. And time, as we know, is often the biggest enemy of healthy eating. Furthermore, planning your meals helps you maintain control over what you eat. When you're in a rush, it's easy to gravitate towards fast food or processed snacks. However, if you have a meal packed and ready, you're more likely to stick to your healthy eating plan. Now let's talk about how to effectively plan and prep your meals. Start by creating a weekly meal plan. This doesn't have to be overly detailed, just a general idea of what you'd like to eat for breakfast, lunch, and dinner each day. Make sure to include a variety of foods to ensure you're getting a wide range of nutrients. Next, make a shopping list based on your meal plan. This will help you avoid impulse purchases and stay focused on what you need. Then, set aside some time to prepare your meals. This can be as simple as chopping up vegetables for a salad, grilling chicken for the week, or pre-portioning snacks into grab-and-go bags. Keep in mind that meal prep doesn't mean you have to eat the same thing every day. You can prepare a few different options to keep your meals interesting. Try experimenting with different spices, sauces, or cooking methods to add variety. In conclusion, meal planning and prepping is a game changer when it comes to sticking to a healthy diet on the go. It may require a bit of effort from your end, but the benefits are well worth it. Remember, a little preparation goes a long way in maintaining a healthy diet. Next up, let's talk about snacks. We all love a good snack, don't we? But when we're in a hurry or on the move, it's all too easy to reach for the nearest sugar-laden treat or salty bag of chips. That's why it's important to choose healthy snacks that are as nourishing as they are satisfying. Why are healthy snacks important, you ask? Well, they bridge the gap between meals, help maintain your blood sugar levels so you don't experience energy crashes, and can even help you stay on track with your weight goals. They're a small but mighty part of your daily diet. Now let's get into the meat of the matter. What are some healthy snacks you can opt for? The key is to pick snacks that are high in fiber, protein, and healthy fats. These nutrients will keep you feeling full and energized until your next meal. For example, think about a handful of nuts. Almonds, walnuts, or pistachios are all packed with healthy fats and protein. They're also super portable, making them a great on-the-go snack. Or consider a piece of fresh fruit like an apple or a banana. They're nature's fast food, no packaging needed. How about some Greek yogurt? It's rich in protein and can be jazzed up with some fresh berries for added fiber and sweetness. And if you're in the mood for something crunchy, try air-popped popcorn or whole grain crackers. They're a far better choice than a bag of greasy chips. Another option is sliced veggies with hummus. Not only are they packed with nutrients, but they also offer a satisfying crunch. And let's not forget about a good old-fashioned hard-boiled egg. It's a protein powerhouse. But remember, portion control is key. Even healthy snacks can add up if you're not mindful of how much you're eating. So next time you feel the urge to snack, opt for these healthier options. They're not just better for you, they're also delicious and satisfying, and that's a win-win in our book. Now let's move on to an often overlooked aspect of a healthy diet: hydration. Hydration, folks, is not just about quenching your thirst. It's about keeping your body functioning at its best. Water is the unsung hero of our bodily functions. It aids digestion, helps transport nutrients, regulates body temperature, and even lubricates our joints. Simply put, water is the fuel that keeps our internal engines running smoothly, yet many of us do not drink enough water daily. This is especially true when we're on the go, busy with our daily lives, and our attention is elsewhere. But remember, staying hydrated is as crucial to our health as eating the right foods. So how can you ensure you're taking in enough water? Here are a few tips. First, carry a reusable water bottle with you. It's a simple, eco-friendly reminder to drink water throughout the day. And with so many stylish options available, it can be a trendy accessory too. Next, make water your first choice. Before reaching for a soda or a coffee, consider if you're just thirsty. Often, we mistake thirst for hunger or a craving for caffeine. So, the next time you feel a pang, try drinking water first. Another tip is to eat your water. Yes, you heard it right. Many fruits and vegetables have high water content. Cucumbers, watermelons, oranges, strawberries, and leafy greens are not only nutritious, but also great for hydration. Lastly, listen to your body. It's a well-calibrated machine that sends signals when it needs hydration. Signs of dehydration include feeling tired, having dry skin, or experiencing headaches. So, if you're feeling a bit off, it might be time to take a sip of water. Incorporating these simple habits into your daily routine can significantly improve your hydration levels, thereby enhancing your overall health and well-being. Remember, keeping your body well hydrated is just as important as feeding it healthy foods. Finally, let's talk about being mindful of your food choices. Mindful eating is a concept that often gets overlooked, but it's a crucial part of maintaining a healthy diet, especially when you're on the go. It's about paying attention to what you're eating and how much you're consuming instead of mindlessly munching away. So, how do you practice mindful eating? First, start by taking the time to appreciate your food. Consider its colors, textures, and flavors. This isn't just about enjoying your meal more, it's about slowing down and giving your body a chance to recognize when it's full. It takes about 20 minutes for your brain to register that you're satisfied, so take your time. Next, listen to your body's hunger and fullness cues. Eat when you're physically hungry, not just when you're bored, stressed, or because it's a certain time of day. And when you're full, stop eating. It sounds simple, but many of us have been conditioned to clean our plates regardless of whether we're still hungry or not. Another crucial aspect is to make conscious decisions about what you eat. When faced with a buffet of options, it's easy to get overwhelmed and just grab what's convenient. But take a moment to consider your choices. Opt for foods that are nutritious and will give you the energy you need, rather than empty calories that will leave you feeling sluggish later. Also, consider portion sizes. Even healthy foods can contribute to weight gain if you eat too much of them. Use your hand as a guide for portion sizes. Your palm for protein, a fist for veggies, a cupped hand for carbs, and your thumb for fats. Lastly, try to eliminate distractions while eating. Turn off the TV, put down your phone, and focus on your meal. This can help you eat less and enjoy your food more. By being mindful of your food choices, you'll find it easier to stick to a healthy diet. It's not just about what you eat, but how you eat. So the next time you're on the go, remember to slow down, listen to your body, and make conscious food choices. To wrap it all up, we've journeyed through the landscape of maintaining a healthy diet even when life gets busy. We honed in on the importance of planning and prepping your meals. A little time spent on this can save you from falling into the fast food trap when you're on the go. We also highlighted the power of healthy snacks. These can be your secret weapon against hunger pangs and can help maintain your energy levels throughout the day. In addition, we underscored the significance of staying hydrated. Your body needs water to function optimally, so don't overlook this key aspect of your diet. Finally, we emphasize the necessity of mindful eating. Being conscious of what you're consuming can make a world of difference to your overall health. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness advice. Remember, your health is in your hands.